Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming root or unlocked bootloader. This is required because you will edit system identifiers directly. Once done, backup/system, the build, prop file, and a boot image to your PC and internal storage so you can restore if needed. Next, install a DB and fastboot on your computer, and on device install a root file explorer or terminal emulator. These tools let you push and edit files. This step sets a safe foundation and avoids bricking the device. You now mount /system as read-write and open build. Prop or vendor GPU configuration files because those entries present the GPU name to apps. Using a DB pull or the file explorer, copy files locally and create. Backups never skip this. Then edit keys like row, hardware, GPU or vendor. Glez, asterisk to the desired GPU name, preserving syntax and quotes. After editing, save and push the modified files back. Set correct permissions, 644, and ownership, because improper permissions break system access to these properties. You finish by fixing permissions, clearing app caches, and rebooting. Once the device starts, verify the new GPU name with a DB shell getProp or a GPU info app so you confirm success. If the device boot loops or apps fail, immediately restore the back files or use recovery to restore the full system backup you made. Make sure SE Linux and signature spoofing are not blocking property overrides. If apps still detect a mismatch, adjust vendor files and recheck ownership and permissions. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.